Hey there! Have you ever wondered how large-scale gypsum powder is manufactured? We're talking about massive operations that supply construction materials worldwide. Today, we're diving into the game-changing technology, the vertical roller mill. This isn't your average grinding equipment. It's engineered for high-volume production. Vertical roller mills are designed to handle huge quantities of raw gypsum efficiently. They use multiple grinding rollers that press against a rotating table. This creates a powerful grinding force that pulverizes gypsum into fine powder. What makes them perfect for large-scale operations? Their incredible capacity. These mills can process hundreds of tons of material per hour consistently. Energy efficiency is another huge advantage over traditional grinding methods. Vertical roller mills consume significantly less power per ton of product. They achieve this through optimized grinding mechanics and advanced air systems. Maintenance is simplified too. The design allows for easy roller replacement. Downtime is minimized, keeping your production line running smoothly. The final product quality is exceptional, consistently fine and uniform powder. This is crucial for applications in construction, plaster, and drywall manufacturing. Modern vertical roller mills come with sophisticated control systems. Operators can monitor and adjust parameters in real time for optimal performance. Automation features ensure consistent output, even with varying raw material quality. Dust control is built in with integrated bag filters and dust collection systems. This creates a cleaner, safer working environment for your team. Space efficiency is another major benefit of the vertical design. They take up less floor space compared to horizontal grinding systems. This means you can maximize your production area for other processes. The durability of these mills is impressive, built to handle years of heavy use. High-quality materials and robust construction ensure long service life. Many industries are switching to vertical roller mills for gypsum processing. Construction companies, building material suppliers, and manufacturers all benefit. The return on investment comes from higher production and lower operating costs. Reduced energy consumption means significant savings on utility bills. Less maintenance means fewer interruptions and lower repair expenses. Improved product quality leads to better market positioning and customer satisfaction. If you're planning to scale up your gypsum powder production, consider this technology. It's the modern solution for meeting growing market demands efficiently. Vertical roller mills represent the future of industrial grinding processes. They combine power, efficiency, and reliability in one impressive package. Ready to transform your gypsum manufacturing operation? This technology could be your key to dominating the large-scale powder market.